on lockdown, all the way to Broadway. Cash out, hate spending, gotta feed all the haters who don't want me winning. With a top down, 4 windows tinted, then we speed off too fast, rims is spinning. On a double R, this big boy business, her purse station, let her way she grip it. And the top off, she let her way she living. 2 girls from the path, but they none of them get it. It's a lamb truck 2021 for the picture. Let me fan off, looking too hard for the bitch. I'm my own boss, dropping all these bangers in the pen. Knocking socks off when I'm on the track, it's been real. Set the tone cross all the countries, tell her Global got his own sauce. Catch her in the back of the Benz, call it crisscross. I'ma keep it rack with my friends, we gon' take off. Got him in the back with some tens, with a handy bottle, plenty model, super throttle. I flew it fast, I go 100 when we out in Cabo. The federales on the ass, but we ain't never stopping. But we ain't with it, turning down, cause tell her always poppin'. And I'm just getting started, my feelings been departed. Take all the knowledge from my brain and put it in your noggin. I mix the product with the Louis at a Benihana. And with the drama, I'll be focusing, it's on my mouth. Tell her on top now, doing it the Kingsway. City on lockdown, all the way to Broadway. Cause I'm coming through all white, Louis V shade. Always on the move, all black in the damn race. I'ma disapprove if you lie on my damn name. Stop acting like a rat, 6'9" on your damn face. Taking all the cash from the brand, you a whole shame. Stepping on the gas on the highway to the speed rate. Getting what I take now, I don't need a handout. I don't like to play around, I'ma get it no doubt. I like to be alone, real quiet in the damn sound. Protecting all the bros from the fake, all the damn clown. I'ma keep it stat in the same from the playground. I really leveled up, all the benefits of inbound. Say I'm out of luck, but I'm turning out the compound. Playing for the Bucks, no Milwaukee when I touch down. I don't wanna cash out, hate spending, gotta feed all the haters.